Hey everyone, this video is for the base carrier bars for a Golf MK7. When I opened the box, I noticed that there was a particular piece of weather stripping that comes together like this. And in the instructions here, it's listed as item number 6, which is a profiled cover, which provides 0 information. When you look at the actual installation instructions, there is nothing mentioned there as well for what to do with this item. So it took me a moment to figure this out. The particular item comes paired together like so, and what you have to do is actually separate these out so that they're no longer together, and it actually is one piece for each of the carrier bars. So this channel here is used for all of your attachments, whether it be for carrying your bike, surfboard, skis, etc. And this particular rubber seal is used to fill that space so that you don't have any dirt or debris inside. So what I recommend doing is start with the edge of this flush to there, and you're going to run it the entire length down. It is significantly longer than the actual carrier bar itself, so you will end up with excess that you'll need to cut down flush on the other end as well. Razor blade goes through pretty easily. You do need to actually have it completely flush because there is a tab in here that will actually hit it and prevent this from sitting flush where it belongs on the edge. So just to show you what this looks like actually installed, you can see it just creates a nice fill into that void there. You do want the rounded off edges here to be up at the top when putting this in. It goes in pretty easy with just using your thumb and feeding it along. Just do one side at a time, going down, an inch at a time as well. So hope that helps somebody out. I couldn't find any videos on this to explain why this particular item was in the box. So have a good day, everyone.